Hi Pisces, this is your love reading for the next 7 days, that is starting from the 12th of July. So you will be looking at various energies coming in your relationship and love sector. So I have taken out your cards and the cards are telling me your situation, the energies that you need to navigate through and harness some of them. So I'll be talking about you and your special someone who is there in your life, about new relationships, old relationships, whatever is there right now visible to me. I'll be talking about that. Before I start this love reading, I'm going to read out a card from the psychic tarot deck. It has got a card for you. It is the solar plexus chakra. So in your body, the solar plexus has to be invoked, it has to be balanced. So what you've got regarding solar plexus, let's understand. The key facts about this solar plexus is that the solar plexus chakra is located between the navel area, just below the rib. It represents power, it represents vitality, it represents willpower, self-esteem and confidence. The energy center where your emotions and feelings are recorded, they are kept there. This chakra is associated with clairsentience, that is inner feeling, which is the major psychic reception area. So major psychic reception area of your body is the solar plexus chakra. To balance the chakra, you may want to try yoga, dance, and other movements, maybe breath work, and with color in your mind, the yellow color. In addition, be aware of people who drain your energy. So, people who are draining your energy in your life, you have to be aware of them, because I have got the awareness card as well. Awareness means being aware of people, places, situations that drain your energy and take you away from your priorities. So what you need to do is you need to focus on empowerment, willpower, and help you open this harmonious area by doing exercise, yoga, concentrating on yourself, resting, rejuvenating yourself in the wild or in the natural surroundings. So that is what angels are asking you to do. So let's see what is happening in your love life. In your love life, what is happening is the tower situation. The tower is an unexpected surprise. This is shaking your foundation, which were built on not so firm base. So your foundation is being shaken regarding your love life. Something has happened in your life which has taken you by surprise, and it is giving you discomfort or pain right now, because the lingering energy which I see in your love life in this week is that you are in a love situation, you are in a relationship, and the moon situation has happened. So the moon situation is making it uncertain. So whatever you knew about your love life is it is in crumbles. So basically your ego has got a hit regarding this love situation. Maybe your lover has responded in a certain manner, or the situation, such a situation has taken place that it has given a shake to the foundation of your relationship, about which you were very 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 assured. You were in a happy place, you were in a situation wherein maybe you took it for granted. So at this situation, you are seeing the moon situation. The moon is you cannot see the path, you are uncertain. Maybe some of you are being in an illusion, or you are in a romantic mode. You are thinking that it is just a small situation, it will rectify itself, and you are thinking about this love, but you are a bit phased, you are a bit worried about this situation. So what you need to do is to surrender to your animal instincts, to surrender to your basic instincts, and think positively about your situation. So what's coming in the near future is the star is coming with the tower. So this means the tower situation will show you some reality, will give you a harsh awakening, but and also it is telling you to look towards your future of love with faith and optimism. Whatever may happen, it is going to take you towards a better circumstance. What I am seeing, clarifying this is your situation of money, your situation of abundance, your situation of wish fulfillment will take place after the tower moment. You will be happy in your love situation. Some of you will be single, some of you will be away from this lover, but you will feel secure, you will feel safe, you will feel contented. Whatever is happening regarding the tower situation, it is not going to affect your contentment situation. That is what I am seeing. However, there in the subconscious you will feel disturbance. So what's happening in the near future is that you will get into the hermit mode to understand the problems in your love life. You will take refuge in solitude, and you will try and think out a solution for this situation of uncertainty in your love life. I am seeing a new situation beginning for you, maybe a platonic situation for some of you, or a new beginning coming in your love life. I am also seeing that some of you are going towards a new love situation, new passion situation, and you will find yourself in a victory situation. So victory will come to you, whatever may be the tower moment. The tower moment will take you out of a certain circumstance, take you out of a truth which was not being seen by you. There was a blind spot, and the blind spot will be shown by the lightning which happens during the tower. So that is what I see. You will have to have strength in this given situation. You need to have patience, you need to have control, you need to control your inner demons, and the wheel of fortune will turn in your favor, and things will come to you which are beneficial to you. So whatever may be happening in your love life, it is going to turn out to be beneficial. And it is also the karma cycle. The ups and downs in your love life is actually what you have done and what the results are. So your doing has brought in some results, so you need to go through the strength period. You have to, if something is not going well, then things will become better. You just need to have patience. That is what angels are saying. What is your lover thinking about you? Your lover seems to be in this situation of Seven of Pentacles reverse. This person thinks that you are there is some stagnation in the love life. They feel that there is some stagnation and there needs to be some steps to make it work. It is not working right now. It is not giving them the happiness that they invested. The amount they have invested in this love is not giving them the happiness or indication of love from your side. That is what they feel. They also feel that what you feel regarding them is that they might be moving on. This is the kind of feeling you are getting, and you are seeing them in a wise and hermit like mode. They are in a situation wherein they are taking wisdom from themselves. So some sound coming from outside which is distracting me. Anyway, we will carry on with this reading. So what's happening is you and them will go through a situation of storm or upheaval, but both of you will get your transition into calmer and safer atmosphere. That is what I am seeing in your love life. As the outcome, I see that if you were in a dual situation, you were not able to make up your mind regarding your love life, or you had to make a decision, or you had to multitask to bring in love in your life, or you were giving priority to both the relationships, one situation will die for you. One situation will get a closure, and this will give you a situation of happiness. This will give you a situation of victory. So even if the situation is painful and it is ending for you, or a closure is taking place, or some situation, one aspect of your love life is ending, or one aspect of your personal life is ending to make way for a situation for a lover, to give them more time, you will be in a victory situation. Whatever the outcome is, you will be in a victory situation. It will make you happy. It will be a situation wherein you are overcoming the obstacles. What I am seeing is angels are advising is that don't be rebellious in this circumstance, or don't if you were committed, you are wanting to get out of this commitment. Some people around you are influencing in this. Maybe some of you are seeing a termination or cancelling of events, or some of you are getting out of, someone is cancelling an event with you, someone is cancelling a reunion with you, someone is terminating something, and you will be in a rebellious mode. You will also want to break some rules and not conform to what is being done all the time. But angels are saying gradually you will go towards a situation of overcoming this toxic energy, this devil energy which is around you, which is causing dependency on others. Or maybe there are addictions in your love life, there are sexual addictions or addictions to multiple lovers. Maybe you have to get out of this situation, or maybe you need to heal yourself from these addictions. Maybe you need to heal yourself from, or make the situation better. Or maybe if you are seeing blocks in your love life, you need to work out, you need to negotiate a path, you need to find a middle path in your love life. That is what angels are asking you to do. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, give me a feedback. If you want an in-depth reading about your love life and your person, you need to contact me through the comment box. Again, request a reading. I give online readings to people, video readings. They can book their time and I am available to them. And so if you want such a reading, these are paid sessions, you can contact me for that. And please don't miss your postings, miss the readings I upload for you. Please subscribe and please hit the notification bell so that you can enjoy your free readings on YouTube. So that's it. Bye bye.